Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if every PDF automatically opens in Adobe Acrobat immediately after downloading, don't worry. This behavior is controlled by a built-in Acrobat setting called Always Open PDF downloaded from the web. The good news, you can disable it in less than a minute. So first thing you can do is open Adobe Acrobat, launch Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, open Acrobat, wait for the application to fully load. You must change the setting inside Acrobat itself. So then open Preferences on Window, click Ctrl+K or Menu, then Preferences on Mac, Acrobat and Preferences. It opens Acrobat Settings. Then open the General Settings, like inside Preferences, select General, scroll through the available options. This section controls PDF opening behavior. Okay, so disable open or disable auto open. Look for one of these options, like always open PDFs downloaded from the web or open PDFs automatically in Acrobat when downloaded. So and check the option, click OK. Auto open disabled and PDFs will remain downloaded without launching Acrobat automatically. Okay, then restart Acrobat, like close Acrobat, reopen it, and again download a PDF to test. Ensures the new setting is applied. So some users may also need to restart their browser. Okay, so if PDFs still open automatically, check your browser settings like Chrome, open Chrome settings, privacy and security, site settings and PDF documents, and enable download PDFs. So this prevents browser triggered PDF opening. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.